If you want to be an entrepreneur and are an avid watcher of reality shows, you may be wondering if there are any shows out there that can help you become a better entrepreneur. To that end, here are the three best TV shows for entrepreneurs and students. Shark Tank is a business related reality TV show where investment seeking entrepreneurs make business presentations to a panel of five investors, also known as the sharks. These sharks then choose whether to invest in their company as business partners or not. I've been a long time watcher of this show and I've seen some of the best and the worst product pitches. But I watch it mainly to take notes on the product pitches that resonates with the sharks and trigger multiple offers. Next is Planet of the Apps. It is just like Shark Tank but for mobile apps. Mostly these are the software developers and they get 60 seconds to pitch their idea of their app in front of four judges. This series was Apple's first original TV series, but unfortunately it was cancelled after just one season. Though the series has been criticized for being self-indulgent, it's still a fun watch with a lot of takeaways for app developers and tech entrepreneurs. The best part of the show is, of course, Jessica Alba. Last is Dragon's Den. Dragon's Den originated in Japan in 2001, where the series was called The Tigers of Money. Local versions of the show have been produced in over 30 countries, but it's the British version of the show called Dragon's Den that's considered the most popular, and the series that inspired Mark Burnett to produce Shark Tank. The premise of the show is similar to that of Shark Tank. Budding entrepreneurs pitch their ideas to five investors who are known as the dragons, who then decided whether to invest in the product or service that they have been pitched. The panel of investors typically includes successful entrepreneurs.